Breaking news just coming in. As per sources, NIA is going to be investigating Hiren Mansukh's death. Home Ministry has transferred this particular case to the NIA. That is what the sources have told India Today. That's the latest coming in the Ambani bomb scare case. As per sources, NIA is going to be investigating now Hiren Mansukh's death. The probe agency suspects a larger conspiracy behind the Ambani bomb scare. Sources further reveal that NIA is trying to probe the motive behind the entire case. Sources have further gone on and told India Today that the NIA suspects involvement of other police officials in the case. Mustafa Sheikh is joining us live. Mustafa, these are some startling developments coming in where perhaps there could be other police officers who could also be involved in the death of Hiren Mansukh. Now the Home Ministry has gone ahead, sources are informing, and transferred the probe of the death of Hiren Mansukh to the NIA. What more do we know on the story?
Well, Chaiti, since initial period it was known that both the cases are related, be it the Antilla bomb scare and Mansukh Hiren's death. So one case was being investigated by NIA, the other by the Maharashtra ATS. We are outside the Maharashtra ATS Thane office which was investigating this particular case, and they have questioned many Mumbai police officials in this case. Now, yesterday when Maharashtra ATS filed a say in ABA of Sachin Wazir, they clearly said that they suspect Sachin Wazir, they want his custody to investigate this case further. Now it's clear that the NIA also knows the relationship between the two cases, and hence they are saying that they want to investigate both the cases. Now this can also lead to a political war of words between Maharashtra government and the centre, because earlier also when the NIA took up the Antilla bomb scare case, there was a skating attack by the state government, and now this case, which is of murder and not related with terrorism, is also being taken by NIA. So some politics will be seen in Maharashtra on this entire proceedings. But yes, it's good for the case that single agency investigate both the cases, but because there is no denial that both the cases are related. Back to you.
All right, leave it at that. Mustafa, thanks so much for bringing our viewers up to speed with the very latest as far as the Ambani bomb scare case is concerned. Mustafa, getting us up to speed with the developments. We'll continue tracking this in much detail.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.